Alright guys, so these are the standard pages that you will need to create on your website. Remember that a trusted website has to have at least 40 pages so that Google or other search engines will rank your website. But for this exercise, you are required only for 20 pages, all with green light in Yoast SEO. For the task 3, remember that you are supposed to deliver a sitemap with the links, no content yet, just links to your products, links to an about, and then links to the privacy policy, contact us, terms and conditions. These are the policies pages. So that's one of your requirements. Now let's go back to here. So again, these are the standard pages we need to create: the about us, the contact us, terms and conditions, returns and refund, data privacy, and then under your blog, you have to have a category and then the blog posts. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you log in your WordPress, and then we start with the pages. Yeah, so we start with the main pages, because later on you need to add this on the menu. So you scroll and look for pages here. Let's try to see what pages are available already. Click on all pages, and then based on WooCommerce, this is already added by default. So you have a cart, checkout, my account, privacy policy, sample, and shop. So let's start creating the about page. You do that by clicking add new, or you can go here at the left sidebar to add a new page. So let's click add new. And then I'm gonna add the title about us. Okay. So later on, you're gonna complete the content here based on your task 1, the brand fascination and your marketing pillars. And you're gonna add some featured images, complete all these details. The Yoast is not green yet, so Divine will work on this later on for an about. So about us, Lali Sweets. Just gonna add it like that. Right. Right. So as you can see, it's still red. You're going to work on the content on this later on to make it green. So right now, I'm just gonna hit publish. You're gonna see that on the right side. Click publish. Right. View page. You're gonna see it's still empty. Right. So to add more pages, still click on add new. Let's navigate first on the existing pages again. We have about us. So there's no contact us yet. Let's add that. Add new. And then contact us. So this is where you will add your contact us form later for configuration. So you have your contact us, fix your SEO later, and then hit publish. Right, so it says the page is now live. Let's take a look. So it now has contact us, still empty. So we're making here just the containers. Okay, so that's for pages. Let's go to the shop. So under WooCommerce, that's where you manipulate the orders, coupons, reports. But to add products, you go to products. Before adding products, Let's see if they have existing ones. So click all products. Still empty. And then it's asking you to create a product. But before creating a product, let's go to categories. So we need to segregate our products and categorize it. So right now it says uncategorized. That's the existing one. We will make a new one. And based on Lali Sweets, they have sweet kaong. Parent, none. You can add an image later. We're just going to add the category first. Add new category. Oh, voila. Oh, it's there now. Okay, sweet kaong is here. So I'm going to add another one. Vinegar products. And then click add new category. It's there. Vinegar. I'm going to add another one, which is palm wine or tuba. Click add new category. Shows up here. And then another one is brooms. And then add new category. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 categories. Let's just leave the uncategorized there. No products still. So once you click all products, you can create a product from here. So let's try doing that. Click create product. Right? So now, looking at the right-hand side, you can see the categories that we created as part of your shop. So I can start adding all the products for this shop. So my first product is green kaong. I'm gonna choose sweet kaong. So later on, you can click here, add media, to add your photos, select files. Of course, you have to make sure first that all your photos are compressed. And once that's ready, you can insert product. See here, insert into product. Once you have your photos ready. And then you're gonna type your story here, your awareness, consideration, decision story, your write-up. Make sure you have a key phrase, like sweet kaong. And then strive to make both of these read through your write-up. So from here, there's also product image. You're gonna add the product image also. And then for your additional image of the product, you click here in product gallery. Wait. Right. So it's showing a walkthrough. So product gallery, if you want to add more images, this is the main image, product image. Product tag, if you want to add more product tags later, like a dessert or something, you can do that. Right. So the price, you can set the price here. How much is a product? How much is a sweet kaong? 45. So add 45. Okay, so if you want to do a sale of the product, you can add 40. Right? And then take a look at your inventory. Maybe the product is out of stock or in stock. No? Later on, if you have virtual products, you can do virtual or downloadable. But for our MSMEs, I understand they're mostly products, on-hand products. If you click manage stock, then you can specify how many is available, how much is available on quantity, because we don't want to oversell. So you can click manage stock. But if it's product is always available, you can just leave it unchecked. Shipping, double check. What's the weight of that product? Is there a shipping class? So usually we can leave it there until you can configure more later. Link products, attributes, these are more advanced options. There's also the product short description. The most important one that I think Yoast will take a look at is this, the one that you will add here. Right, so just for example, I'm gonna add a product image. I'm just gonna choose anything I have here. Uh, like this. So set product image. Let's try to see. So this is the lazy way of outlining. So I'm just outlining my text. Of course, you need more of this later. So double check if you're done. Of course, you can always save draft. But once you're ready, you can click publish. So now we should have the product live on our shop. Okay, so click view product. Then you can see it here. We need to configure the theme later para you can see this right hand side. But this is the product page. The 45 was the amount, and then I added a sale price of 40. There's the description, right? So that's how you add products and add categories of your products, right? So where do you see that, the actual shop? You can look at, I think, shop. There. So my shop only has one product. I can add a new product here. And then say black broom. And then choose the category brooms. Use the key phrase. And then optimize the rest of the details. So how much is a broom? Divine. 250. Then you can do a sale price of 200. If you don't have an image, the last resort is to go to Pixabay. This is especially useful when you create blog posts later. So Pixabay, you can search like, let's say broom, because I don't have a photo. You can specify your sources later in another page. Right. So let's add the product image, set product image, upload file. Where was that? It's gone. So where's my broom? Here. Okay. So I'm uploading the photo. Make sure to compress it. The sizes are large. So set product image. I have my price. See, my SEO and readability are all red and orange. From here, this is for a later. This is for a later exercise, but you can look at the problems here and then fix this one. Alright, so look at the recommendations under SEO and look at problems so that you can fix this. So let's publish this one first. This is another product in another category. Right, so it says view product. Let's take a look at the new product. So this is the product now. You see that? So Shelby and ang broom. Let's refresh the shop. Let's take a look if it's reflecting. So under shop, you should have 2 products already. Okay, so you continue populating this and complete your 20 pages. So we're done with pages, we're done with products. Let's take a look at how to add a post. So clicking post, it's on the left hand side, click all posts. And then you can see that Divine already has created one. And then this is the default, you have a hello world. So to add a new post, you click add new. But before you do that, you go to categories so that you can categorize your blog posts. It's similar to creating product categories. So the categories we have for the blog post, we have origins. This is like a history of the product. So we have origins and then click add new category. So you can see that here in the right side, there's now origins category. And then we have how-tos. So this is where they will write blog posts, making explainer posts or how-to. How-to. Yan. And then click add new category. So we have 2. Now we're ready to make a new post. Click add new. Similar to product, you add the title, you add the key phrase. So let's do that. Our first article is so that's going to be her first article. Her key phrase is about the palm tree, which she will optimize later so that this will be green. What else can we add? So on document, you have a featured image. Let's try to go to Pixabay if they have a palm tree image. Which one do you like? This one? That's not a palm tree? Kanina lang. This one? So particular. There's no joke here. Huh? Kane, this one? Okay. So let's use that image. Save. Right. Let's use that in our post by clicking set featured image. Upload the image. And select. Of course, you can start outlining or outline like story of the palm tree, where it can be found, uses of the palm tree. Then you can start pitching the kaong. Yan. So that's my outline. And when you're ready, you can click publish. Right, and then from there you can view posts here. Right, okay. So you can see all that under blog. Not found. It's not added there. So I think from here you would need to customize your theme, Divine, so that okay. So that's it. That's how I showed you how to add pages first, and then I showed you how to add products, and then also how to add posts. Anything else we need to cover? On menus, this is how you will try to add this one so that it will show up. For example, you can arrange your menu. Like if you want to show the shop and then you don't want to show the cart, you don't want to show the checkout, like this one, remove this. You don't want to show my account. Or you want to rename this one like about us. And you can do that. Header and create menu. And later on you can customize the theme so that it will show up. Alright, so I'm gonna pause this one, and hopefully that will be helpful in adding new products, posts, and pages for you.